Warning: you will hear adult language in this video. If you are offended by adult language, student of the game FX is not liable for the damage done to your virgin ears. Alright, y'all. Well, let's, it's day 2 of our FTMO trial. Same as yesterday, we're going to look for 4 trades. And then we're going to not trade for the rest of the night. And as always, we're going to start by clicking through all the charts and just seeing what has the clearest structure and like what has the clearest indication of what's going on. So we've got our daily block here, and it looks like we're rejecting off of this area, so price may come down to clear these orders and then go back up. But it looks like on the 4-hour we're making a downtrending structure, just at least for the short term. The only thing is this is like these are equal lows here. It should clear out, or near equal lows, I guess. It should clear out, but I'm not sure. That's why we're here. That's why I made this channel. We're learning together. We're growing together. Eventually we will be profitable, huh? Okay, so let's check the 1 hour right here. I don't really see much different from what I saw in the 4-hour. I mean, impulse moved down. This actually did close. Didn't close below the wick low, but it did close below the body low, which makes me think it's a bit stronger. Came back up to retest here. I think I might sell this Aussie Chief if everything is looking good down here. And so we went up here. We broke one level of structure here, came down, broke another level of structure here, and then came back up, retested under here, came back down, retested under here, and now we're testing off of this guy here. It looks like the start of a downtrend to me. I actually kind of want to just take this early in the night. I hate taking trades right at 11. Right at the start of the London session, but I think this might be a good one to take, and our target is pretty far down. I wanted to fill in this price here, so if we put our line right here and we go back down to 5-minute, so you can see that. Wait, I got 2 lines. What the heck is going on, yo? Okay, we got this one here. Oh, this one. Let's remove this for now. It's confusing me. So we're gonna get this line right here, and then I really would like it to come back up a little bit, but I think it's gonna plow from here. So we're just gonna put the short on. Haven't taken the trade yet, but yeah, we're just gonna sell for 1 to 1.5. I don't know. Like, this is probably our max target I would go for. Even 1 to 2 feels weird, but let's get that 1 to 1.5 going right now. And see, this is coming up a little bit, so I just want to make sure before I enter this that everything is looking good down here. Yeah, it looks like we're testing off of this area down here. See if I may. Yeah, I'm just gonna sell it just to take an early trade in the session here. Like I said, not my usual favorite, because I know, like, right when the London session opened, there's a lot of flippy floppy nonsense, but we're just gonna get it. So right here, if the stop loss is up here, is 6 pips. So if we put the stop loss up here, can we get our 1 to 1.5 down to here? Yes, we still can. I think I'm just gonna put this stop loss right above this candle though. Get in and out early. So let's get it right here. Then we'll just get in the trade. So Aussie Chief trade is on. S1 trade. I'll mark that as green to say that we're in the trade, and we will continue. Okay, I don't want to double up too much on our currencies here, so let's make sure the next one is not Nazi. All right, so let's see, CAD yen looking kind of weird. Does look like an uptrend bouncing from here. Let's see. Okay, y'all don't even know what's going on. Neither do I, apparently. Let's see, we came up, came back down, came back down. This is a low. So we're looking for very weak buys here if we're looking for buys. Honestly, I'd say we're looking for another impulse right now, just because we broke this low here and we're currently testing around this area here. If anything, we could go up for maybe up to here and then dump, but I'm gonna stay out of this one for a minute because I'm not 100% sure, or at least not close to 100% sure on that. I do think it is a sell though, even though we have kind of all this forming. Let's see, let me just look at it a little bit longer, just stare at it lovingly for a little bit longer. Yeah, see, because let me see if I can find something on a clear, maybe something more clear on a different time frame. So we broke the short-term structure, came back, made a double top here on the 1 hour. Let's go on the 15. So we broke up. This is interesting price action. We came down here, made a lower high, broke the low, right? They came back up, broke the high here, and then we came back down. We didn't close below this low, and then we bounced. We came back down again. We didn't close below this low either, and then now we're coming back down to retest. I still don't think this is a buy. I don't think this is a buy just yet, just because the way this impulse is. These candles are really weak. It's right under this this level here. Only thing is, if we take this trend line off, right, we're basically bouncing off of this, and so that's the only thing that would tell me that's a buy, but it doesn't look like it even came deep enough into there. Yeah, there's a lot of confusion around this for me. I'm gonna skip the CAD yen for now. Check our Aussie Chief a bit. Okay, looking like we're getting a little droppy drop in there. That's good. This is the Bund. I'm not gonna trade the Bund. Your Aussie looks like it might be playing out. Your Aussie looks like it might want to keep pushing up. This to me is like all one leg of structure. I've been following the rule of the 2 candle pullback that I learned from Technical Gods or TGFX, and basically there's no 2 candle pullback. Like, see how this is bearish, bullish, bearish? That's not a 2 candle pullback. But this is down here. See these 2 red candles next to each other. So I would say this isn't we haven't made a new lower or new higher low, and this is the highest point so far here. It looks like we're kind of consolidating. Let me go down to the 5-minute. So then we break out here, we're testing on this. We come back up, test again, come back up, test again, come back down, test again. We're pushing up. So even though we're kind of leveling out here, as you can see, we just cleared all these orders. We might come back down just to test this and then go back up if it keeps on going. Otherwise, we are, looks like we're taking off on the Euro Aussie. Trying to decide if I want to enter this trade. It doesn't feel right to enter, like this feels high to me on the 5-minute. I'd rather enter down in here. Euro CAD, Euro Chief, we're already on a Chief. Euro Yen, that looks like it's about to fill up our previous idea. I almost want to just buy this just by the way that it kind of looks, but it's right at this level that we have to break, which means it's kind of high for me. I mean, price may want to just come back down into here before going up further. Let's see, but on the 4-hour, I mean, everything's kind of filled up in here. So we'll have to see where that goes. Euro US dollar is just straight up dumping. I mean, I might as well just find a place to latch my my lasso to and just hold on for dear life, huh? I mean, the next, let's see, so on the 4-hour, next place I see it going to is around, maybe filling up the price down to here somewhere, maybe 50% of this. So I'm gonna sell Euro US dollar. Five pips. Let's see, it's 5 pips stop loss. Right, so then if we're selling, already looking like we shouldn't have, but you know, hey ho. How you doing? Right there, 5. I want to get that 7. 7.5. Trade is on Euro US dollar. So the reason I put my stop loss above here is just because that was the last time that it kind of pushed down. I think that the better place, honestly, like even though it's super far away, is just to put it above this area, because to me this would be like the last area that could break before you're wrong, right? But I'm kind of far, like selling here is just stupid. I'll be the first to say that, but I'm thinking with the way that it's moving, I can get 1 to 1.5 before it comes back up and says, nah, man. Just because it's so strong. I mean, the only thing I'm scared about is that it didn't cover this candle that I had over here. But we'll leave it. Your Aussie trade is not on. Aussie Chief still dumping, thank you. Oh man, our little heart attack candles coming out there. Yep. Okay, so Euro US, pound Aussie, we already got an Aussie, pound CAD, let's check it out. So this is an interesting price action to me. I think that we will probably just go down a little bit more and then come back up. But to me, I'm more worried about this not being lower than, not being higher than that or that. To me, this looks like it's going to be a failed head and shoulders, but you never know, do you? Just gotta wait to see what happens with price. I just want it to break this low here before I start looking for sells at all. And even then, I'll probably want to look for a buy lower, but I don't think I'll be awake during that time. That's the only thing. If I was awake, I could sit here all day doing this. Okay, so man, that looks like an interesting buy, don't it? Like it just does. It just looks. I mean, that's the only thing is like somewhere over the rainbow. Every time it gets weaker and weaker. I'm just trying to think of what I would need to see for this to be a buy for me. Like I probably want to see it break here on the 5-minute and then come back and retest it. I don't think I'll be awake for this one though. And if it's a sell, then of course if we break this low down here, I mean that's the game right there. That's on for sure. I'd be selling probably down to if I were to look at it, I'd probably be selling down to, wow, it's kind of choppy though. Probably down to here. So let's mark it out. This is the daily. Mark it out with not blue. Let's mark it out 4 hour anyways. And then if we go down to the 5, right? And that could all be from this one area here. If I really, I'm gonna take 101.5, but just say hypothetically I were to short from here. Stop loss right here, little 3 pips stop, 4 pips stop loss, and then oh shiza, oh man, let's go back that way. All right, then you go this way and catch a nice 1-to-9 trade if that's going to be the real trade. I mean, it could be, this could be the one, huh? I don't know. I don't play those games. This is okay. So if this basically holds, if this zone holds, then I will sell. But it does not look like it's going to hold. It looks like it was going to take this bounce and run with it right now. See, these dojis too, they don't feel very strong to me. Right? Like, now that feels good. That feels good. I'm gonna sell that. I'm gonna sell that in 2 minutes. Let's see what the 1 minute look like. Okay. So even the 1 minute, our wicks are lower. There just simply are. Let's see. I'm still waiting. If this isn't a gopher, I'll sell it. Was it pound CAD? Let's open up the pound CAD. Let us open up the pound CAD. Oh, see, I'm getting too excited about this pound CAD. I don't know now. She's a damn liar, I think. She's a damn liar, she is. And why would you even sell like an impulse that far? You know, like, you see this impulse, this is the biggest candle you ever seen. It covers all this price action. You gonna sell right now? Is that what your dumbass is gonna do? I'm pretty sure your dumbass is about to sell here. Maybe someone tell you to fucking not sell here. Look on the 4 hour, boy. You guys go. This thing breaking through the sky. This thing breaking through, like, he's just breaking through this brick wall, smashing ass, smashing everything. And you're gonna buy here. You're gonna sell here. I mean, oh no. See, there you go. Thank you for invalidating my dumbass headassery. This is good. This is good. I want this to hold. It's gotta hold. And we're gonna have another shoulder right like this. We want a little shoulder in the cut right over here. You want the shoulder in the cut right there. Or this could be eyelashes, right? You can put that over here. Cause you sleeping on this trade. If you miss this trade, you sleeping on it. And then you look like that. And then all these tears coming out like this. So much sadness. So much sadness if you miss this trade. You just like hoping and waiting. Don't let it run away. You won't run away from me. It's okay. It's okay. I'm still here. I'm waiting for you. I see you, bullish candle, but you always come back, right? Are you gonna make me look like an asshole? That's such a good amount of price action that's coming out of this candle right now. Next candle though. Next candle, I promise. Next candle, I promise I'll get in. Yeah, I left the eyelashes on this just because, you know, we got to get it. Let's see, ain't that interesting? It's like wicking up on me. Pretty hard too. Let me check what's up over here. Oh, see, Pound Chief decided to continue dumping. Yo, I'm gonna sell the Pound Chief right now. I swear. She's dumping. Where's she dumping to? If she had this huge impulse, I mean, she's only gonna dump to like right here or something. She's about to turn around. I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark it just in case. Just in case I'm right. I don't know what you know about hubris. Let's see. All right, so man, all the pounds are making me wanna. Oh man, make me wanna be the one. Okay, so pound US dollar is basically euro US dollar right now. They're both like pew. Let's see, pound CAD, pound chief. What am I doing with Aussie Chief? Am I selling or buying? I'm selling. So if I do a sell on Pound Chief, I'm gonna be doing 2 sells. I don't want to do 2. So let's see. I don't think that's coming back up for a minute though. Well, oh wait a second. Yes, I do. What am I talking about? I put the line there. This is why I'm not consistent. This is the whole reason I'm starting this channel. Let's see, pound yen. It's probably got some dump in her. She probably got some dump in her. She's been trending down for a little bit. Yeah. So pound yen, I can see continuing downward to probably, let's see, what areas do we have? I mean, if it continues to trend downward, I mean, we really haven't tested what any of these levels down here or any of this up here. Like, none of this has been tested. Again, if I go down to the 1 hour, that's probably like, see, we could test down into here. Oh, but it did get tested with this wick. But this would be like a return to impulse if we can sell down to here. It's curving downward, so yeah, I'm gonna sell the pound yen for 1 to 1.5 here as well. I think this is more appropriate though. 8 pip stop loss. I mean, it moves pretty quickly, so I'm not too worried about such a wide stop loss, but I think it's just a bit more safe to put it up here because I'm slightly unsure about where this could land. But I do think we're about to see some downward movement. As wrong as I could be with this stupid candle doing me like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it here because I'm trash at dragging stuff around. Trade is on. That's 3 trades so far, and then we're looking for 1 last trade, and then we'll close it out. Oh, I want to do US 30 for the gram. What do we got here? So US 30. Also follow in lockstep with all the other stuff that's against the US. It's just dumping. US 30 does some wild stuff though. I mean, like, so on the 5 minute we broke the low, we came up, yeah, we're selling because this is basically what I'm seeing right here, right? And then we got your boy over here, something like that. So this is probably kind of rushed, but I think I've got the right idea here. We'll see what happens. I am worried about the level that it's testing off of right now, but that's okay. I just really don't like selling at this low, so that's why my stop loss is all the way up here, because basically price can come all the way, even back up to here, right? Price can come up to here, clap it, be like, yo, what's up, man, how you doing? And then go back down, and that's what I don't want. So just selling 1 to 1.5, trying to get my money, get in, get out, get on with my life. But I believe that's 4 trades on now, so we'll see how it goes. We got Aussie Chief, Euro US, Pound Yen, and US 30. And so far we're around $600 profit. It could flip, it could not. Everything could be going good, it could be not, but we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. I'll do a review tomorrow.